Hi everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food. And in this video I'm going to share with you all why we should include almond to our everyday diet and its health benefits. So keep watching the video. Almonds are considered one of the healthiest nuts with several health benefits in them. But technically this tiny oval-shaped dry fruit is not a nut but a seed of a fruit from almond tree, classified as drupes, a fleshy fruit with thin skin and a single shell covering the seed inside. The taste of almond is sweet and crunchy when roasted with the skin, and the taste is sweet and a little chewy when blanched. While you can eat almond on its own, it is also widely used for cooking in various cuisines. It is served as a garnish for desserts or to have in breakfast with cereal or muesli. Even almond milk is getting more popular among the vegan and lactose intolerant population as a milk substitute. Almonds are available in many forms like whole, slivered, sliced, nibs, and flour. So here are the 10 reasons why you should include almonds to your everyday diet. Almond is a nutrient-dense seed. They are high in fiber, protein and fat, especially the unsaturated fats. They are an excellent source of vitamin E and minerals like manganese and magnesium. They also contain some amount of vitamin B2, copper and phosphorus. Almonds help in proper digestion and regulates the bowel movement. The thin brown skin on the almond is filled with fiber, a carbohydrate type that cannot be easily digested by the body. Fibers don't break down into sugar molecules. Instead, they increase the bulk of stool and passes out of the body undigested. So having almonds every day give you a good amount of fiber that keeps you full for a longer time and keeps your digestive system healthy. Almond increases the immunity and keeps us healthy. The protein in almond maintains and replaces the tissues and help us to function and grow. Protein is required by our body for the structure, function and regulation of tissues and organs. So adding almond to our everyday diet can supply us with some good amount of protein. These tiny oval-shaped seeds also contain anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to reduce the inflammation in the body like swelling, pain and redness, and improves the symptoms of some common health conditions. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, which helps in healthy vision, brain and skin. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties. These substances protect our body cells from free radicals, which are oxygen-containing molecules with uneven number of electrons. These free radicals can cause long-chain reactions called as oxidation, and oxidation can damage vital molecules in our cells. So antioxidants are essential for our everyday health. The trace mineral manganese in almonds helps the body in various forms for connective tissues, bones and blood clotting factors. Manganese is essential for the production of collagen, an important protein that improves the skin's elasticity and boosts healthy hair. So adding almond to your everyday diet can be a good reason for your skin and hair. Almonds also helps to regulate the blood glucose level. Studies show that magnesium, the macro mineral in almond, can help to control the blood sugar. It also supports energy production for the muscle and the nerve functions. Almonds are considered as the superfood for the brain. Vitamin E and the unsaturated fatty acid in the seed helps to boost the brain health, and the protein helps to repair the brain cells. This is also considered as one of the healthiest nuts for the heart, which improves the heart health. The monounsaturated fats in the seeds helps to lower the LDL or the bad cholesterol and increases the body's HDL or the good cholesterol. Almonds can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and regulate the cholesterol and blood pressure. And finally, almonds are gluten-free, making them an excellent substitute for people with gluten allergies. Many gluten-free recipes can be made from almond flour, including cake, cookies, crepes, and bread. Almonds are also vegan, making them popular among the people following veganism. Almond milk is a great vegan substitute for cow milk in people who are lactose intolerant. It is important to learn that tree nuts such as almond can cause allergic reactions. Many people have an almond allergy that can range from mild to severe. Complications may include itching, watery eyes, skin rashes, difficulty in breathing just after a few hours of eating the almond. If you see any kind of allergic reactions, immediately contact your healthcare provider for necessary treatment. If you want to know how you can make almond burfi and cookies, then I have the video on my channel. I will keep the link in the description box. You can go and check them. So that's all for today's video. I'm sure the video was a bit informative. If you have any question regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay healthy. And for food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com. And now you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.